Oh, yan na si Makina.
How's everybody so far? You guys having a great time? Good. Congratulations, Kawasaki. You guys have been part of Makina for as far back as I can remember. And again, thank you so much. Congratulations with your launch.
Saklor Rosero, Makina.
At this point, I'd like to invite everybody, our friends in the media, sa mga Kawasaki fans natin. Lapit po kayo, take a picture of the bike. Take
pwede lumapit to.
Umorder na sila. Congratulations. Thank you so much, everybody. Come inside.
Ito, naked tong isa. Tong isa yung may cover.
And once again, would like to thank Makina Motor Show and Mr. Zach Lucero. Once again, my name is Arlo De Jesus, and let the good times roll.
Parehong maganda, parehong maganda. Ito, naked version. Iwan, hindi ko alam kung ano, ilang cc to eh. Ah, electric! Ito, battery! Electric pala ng Kawasaki. Panalo to. Electric siya. Kaya pala iwan. Talagang iba na talaga ang labanan ngayon ah. Electric na. Itong isa, tingnan natin. Check din natin. Oo, electric din. Electric talaga. Okay to. Ayan. Napik ako. Akala ko 4-cylinder. Kung ano, electric bike pala. Iwan. Sana practical to. Practical. Mahal ang gasolina. You know? Iwan. Kawasaki electric bike. Yan, nandito ang kanyang battery. Akala, hinahanap ko kung ilang cc. Electric bike pala to eh. Maganda, walang tunog to. Walang bomba to, walang bomba. Electric bike. Pero tipid sa gasolina. Walang gastos. Hindi lang natin alam kung paano ang LTO nito, ang registration. Oh, may emblem Jet Li. Tipid sa gasolina. Walang gasolina pala.